Okay. First, again, in regards to the NSC Customer Portal, it's actually through our website. So what we'll have you do is open up your web browser. We'll type in www.nettech.com in the address bar up here, and once you are there, once everything loads, you'll click on, or hover actually over the support tab, I guess we'll call it, and then go ahead and click on Customer Portal. Now, as you see here, it brings you to a login page. For logging in, you'll use your full email address. Make sure everything's included there. And then the default password is going to be your last name in all lowercase letters. You can go ahead and check the box to go ahead and keep your credentials if you like, or keep your email address in there for future reference. So we'll click Submit and go ahead and sign into the portal. All right, and here is the homepage for the customer portal. We're going to go over how to create tickets in here and get them submitted. Also, we're going to go over how to set up a new password so we can get you off the default there into something more secure. But first thing we'll do is we'll go over how to navigate the site and create a ticket. So over here on the left, we just have some helpful links that we've provided for you. We know a lot of you have email set up on your phones, whether that be an iPhone or an Android. Here's quick and easy instructions on how to do that here. For iPhone, Android, we also have portal instructions on how to navigate the portal, how to get to it, how to browse through it. And then also your SharePoint site, a video training library, which will be updating over time as we create more videos, and as well as the Android email setup. But we'll go over to the top right of the site, have the big green button for creating a ticket. We're going to go ahead and click that. It brings out a pop-up menu. Here we're creating a ticket. Step 1, select service needed. So what you have here is we have a scrollable menu of different items that you can go through depending on why you are submitting a ticket. For this example, we're going to just leave it on other issue, but you can click in any one and you'll see the information required will change as you're going back and forth. Now, as Julie mentioned earlier, if it's an extremely urgent issue, above all else, you should be calling us directly. Here's our phone number to contact us directly. Again, it's 24/7, 365. Go ahead and give us a call if it's an issue of extremely urgent nature. Now, these fields are editable, so if it's something that we're going to submit, we can just highlight it and hit delete. And as well as here in the description, we can go ahead and delete this as well. But for sake of example here, we'll just go with a TempWorks issue. And say we can't log in to TempWorks inside of Desktops2Go. Right, so now the description field here, obviously you'll add as much detail as you can. If you're getting any error messages or error codes, or even if you have a screenshot, you can actually attach, if you have a screenshot of an error or a document, anything like that, you can click Browse, navigate to that file, and attach it to the ticket.
The more information, the better. If you remember what you were doing prior to the error, that type of information is very helpful.
Absolutely. Here we'll go down to due date. Obviously, again, if it's something extremely urgent, give us a call directly. But if it's something that can be done, say, like today is currently on Wednesday, if something can be done by Friday, then we can just pop in and say, yes, this can be done by Friday, December 5th. Obviously, if it's something that needs to be done same day or by end of day, we'd like you to go ahead and you can click the today, and it's an emergency issue. If it has to be done ASAP, of course, as we stressed to you throughout this session, call us if it's extremely urgent. We'll now go to contact details. This should have your default details, name, phone number, address. If you're at a different site, you can edit these fields. Depending on which location you're at, we know there are quite a few NSC offices. But make sure you have your up-to-date phone number as well as your email so we can go ahead and contact you upon submission of your ticket. And once you have all the details entered, we have the submit button down here at the bottom right. And that submits the ticket directly to our system where we can email you or give you a call as soon as it's submitted. So we'll go ahead and cancel this for now. And I just wanted to go over some of the services here at the top. Again, we used other issue, for example. But Julie's going to go over some of the things here, some of these selections as for what is required for them.
Yeah, if you need to change somebody's email address or add an employee or something like that, this is the ticket that you would submit. And also, I don't know if we said you can expand this earlier, but this gives you, what type of information you need. You can remove an employee, same thing. But if you are playing a joke on someone and you submit a ticket, we will check with the manager so that we are sure if it's not a manager submitting this ticket that, that you're not just saying, hey, let me play a joke on this guy and get him removed. So we will be checking on those sorts of things. Printer issues, email issues, here's the add employee. So there's a few that we came up with just to kind of, the ones that we know are, recurring things that you usually ask for. We're open to suggestions on adding more of these. So if you have any suggestions, just please let us know, and we'll see what we can do about getting those added. And again, I'm just going to say it one more time. If it's critical, if your house is on fire, you're probably not going to email the fire department. You might want to give them a call. Same thing here. So, that's what we're looking for, just to be as helpful as we can be. And that's pretty much it.
Yeah, that's for creation of a ticket.
The last thing I think we want to go over is how to change your password, which is really the first thing you want to do when you access the portal, because right now it's the person's last name, so you really want to change it to your something different.
Correct, and this will be right above the Create Ticket option. You'll have the link for My Account. So we'll go ahead and single click, and again, it brings out a pop-up menu. Here is where you'll be able to not only change your password, but edit your contact details here as well, as you see at the bottom. So we'll click here on Change Password, enter it, re-enter it to confirm it, and then we have the Save and Close button here down at the bottom, which will go ahead and automatically submit the change. So as soon as you log out and log back in, the new password is going to, or should be taking effect for you.
Okay. I think that's about it. Again, if you guys have questions, you can always call us, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.